time to ignite the combustible mixture. Let's try to understand the important. Explain the spark plug and its types. We know that the function of a spark plug is to produce a spark at the required time to ignite the combustible mixture. Let's try to understand the important parts in working of a spark plug. Spark plug mainly consists of a steel shell which makes the outer covering, a resistance which controls the strength of current, and two electrodes, central electrode and ground electrode. Both these electrodes are made up of nickel alloy to withstand erosion and corrosion at high temperatures. Central electrode carries high tension current and is insulated using porcelain, whereas the ground electrode is welded to the steel shell of the spark plug and thus gets grounded when attached to the cylinder head of the engine. We know that during the engine operation, when high tension current flows through the central electrode, it ionizes the gas present between the electrodes, also known as the electrode gap, thus making it a conductor and hence produces a spark. Now, as the tip of the central electrode and the insulator are exposed to the combustion gases, there sustains a risk of cracking in the insulator due to high thermal stresses at very high temperatures. Also, sometimes in the less load conditions at the low temperatures, abnormal surface deposit takes place at the tip and fouls the electrodes. Depending upon how these problems are addressed, spark plugs can be classified into two types: hot spark plug and cold spark plug. Hot spark plugs have long insulator tip and long heat rejection path to avoid abnormal deposition on the tip and are used where the combustion chamber temperatures are relatively low, such as in bikes and cars. Cold spark plugs have short insulator tip